The Red Magic 10 Pro is officially going global, bringing 24GB RAM and 1TB storage to international markets for the very first time. Here's everything you need to know about this powerhouse device. Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The Red Magic 10 Pro smashed AnTuTu records, hitting over 3.1 million points thanks to its Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.1 storage. Battery and charging. It features a 7050 mAh battery, but for international markets, wired fast charging is capped at 100 West compared to higher speeds in some regions. Advanced cooling. With an advanced cooling solution, the device can sustain high performance for longer periods without overheating. 12GB RAM, 256GB storage Shadow Black. 16GB RAM, 512GB storage Moonlight and Dusk variants. 24GB RAM, 1TB storage Dusk Ultra variant. Global pricing available starting December 12th for early bird orders. Open sales on December 18th. United States, 256ths of a gigabyte, $649. 16/512ths of a gigabyte, $799. 24GB, 1TB, $999. Europe. 12/256ths of a gigabyte, €649. 16/512ths of a gigabyte, €799. 24GB, 1TB, €999. Singapore. 12/256ths of a gigabyte, $999. 16/512ths of a gigabyte, $1,299. 24GB, 1TB, $1,499. Mexico. 12/256ths of a gigabyte, MXN 14,999. 16/512ths of a gigabyte, MXN 18,999. 24GB, 1TB, MXN 23,900. If you're looking for unmatched performance in a gaming phone, the Red Magic 10 Pro is ready to deliver whether you're into gaming, multitasking, or content creation. Stay tuned for the December 12th early bird orders.